In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elements Kit landing page elements in ConvertKit's current editor. Let's start right inside your ConvertKit account so you can follow along. From your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click that and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing landing pages live. Find the landing page you want to work on and open it in the editor. Once it loads, you'll see your current design with different content areas and sections stacked vertically. To add more structure to your page, you'll first want to add a new section. Move your mouse between two existing sections and watch for a small plus icon to appear. When you see that plus sign, click it. This adds a new layout block to your landing page, which you can then fill with different types of content. Think of sections as the big building blocks that keep your page organized from top to bottom. Next, let's add an element inside that section. Click into any existing text or content area in the editor. As soon as you click, a plus icon should appear on the left side of your cursor. This is your shortcut to insert new elements exactly where you want them. Click that plus icon, and a menu of options will pop up. From this menu, you can choose the type of element you want to add. If you want to make your page more visual, select an image or video element. That's perfect for things like product photos, headshots, or short promo clips. If you need a clear call to action, choose a button element. You can later link it to a form, a checkout page, or another URL. To add urgency for a launch or a special offer, pick a countdown timer. This works really well for limited time promotions. And if you're selling something directly from your landing page, select a product or commerce element so visitors can buy without leaving the page. Once the element is on your page, click on it to start customizing. This will open a sidebar on the right side of the screen where you'll see Style and Settings options. Here you can adjust things like colors, fonts, sizes, and links to match your brand. Take a moment to preview how it looks and tweak spacing or alignment so everything feels clean and intentional. When you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click Save. Then click Publish so your updated landing page goes live and visitors can see the new elements right away.